All right, what's up, y'all? Yeah, this Keenan and the Smoker Keenan right here on YouTube. It's been a minute, but I'm back out here. I'm about 2 hours into this cook. Check this out. So I got this legacy fired up. When I'm done doing this, you're definitely gonna see how I got everything together. Got a little water and iced tea here, and some beef ribs. You're gonna see how I put these together in a minute. But as you can see, we're looking a little ashy. So we're gonna go ahead and just spray them. Okay, let's tighten that up. There we go. Spray them to get the ashiness down. Like I said, we're about 2 hours in. Got them running with some hickory wood, some good hickory smoke, beef ribs, nice little spits right there. Check out how I put them together.
Ooh, right.
So we're about 3.5 hours in, close to 3 hours into the cook. Check this. See where they at. $121. Get off the bone. So these are about 40 degrees higher than this front rack right here. They smell amazing. And we're going to get these bad boys wrapped up with some beef tallow. And we're going to throw them in the oven for a minute. Let them get about at least well over 200. And then we're going to be back with some eats. Back in a minute. All right, so we done. Had these bad boys in the oven for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. Had them in there at about 350. And pulled them at about 205. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now, I believe this is the ones with the Chef Burrito. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't playing. So here's that other rack. This is the rack that I just sprayed with the olive oil, some cracked black pepper, and this right here. Now let's see about this rack. This rack was pretty cool. I remember it. This is the one that was cut, that had a cut in it. So, and the membrane was still on there. Let's try to get one of these good ones up in here, man. Take a bite. No, that ain't tough at all. I think I'm just tripping because they still hot and I don't want to burn myself. Okay, so that turned out good. I made a little side dish, a little broccoli and cheese rice. Took some the bottom part of some green onion and some salami. Cut that up and sauteed it up in some Kerrygold butter along with the Badia lemon, basil, and garlic mix that come in the jar. That stuff is good. The black garlic I was hooked on for a minute. and season it with some sweet Charlene's, boy. Woo! That could have been a meal in its own, but that's just something to complement these ribs. And then when it was done, boiled it like normal rice. Added 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, a little MSG to bump it up. Yeah, you know what's up with that MSG. And cooked it like a regular pot of rice. When it was done, stirred in, put 2 pieces of American cheese and about a half a cup of the shredded Kobe mix that you get from the store. So that came out good. If you want to see my how I did something similar, I got a bacon, broccoli, and cheese rice out under the I Made It Up playlist. Broccoli and cheese rice, and then I got my bacon and Brussels sprout rice. Those themselves can be meals in its own. So be sure to check out that I Just Made It Up playlist, or I called it I Made It Up. So I'm a playlist. Check that out. Anyway, this is Keenan. Appreciate y'all checking me out on this little journey of some beef ribs. It came out amazing, and I will be back with some more. Appreciate the support so far. Y'all be cool. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Not All Smoke 78, right here on YouTube and The Smoke with Keenan, and on TikTok, Not All Smoke. And I'm out. One.